everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to activate Costco Visa card. So you can activate your Costco Visa card via the mobile application or the website, or you can also do it by phone. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Costco mobile app if you want. If you've opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in this link online.city.com/us/easy/activate/index. Now press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to activate your card. All you have to do is enter your credit or debit card number over here. So click on the field of credit or debit card number. Now enter your card number without any dashes or spaces. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now after you enter the card number, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, what you have to do is provide some more card details and personal details, follow some on-screen instructions, and your card will be activated. Or if you want to do the mobile app activation, what you have to do is download the City mobile app, open the application and log into your account. Simply find the option for activate a card, follow through the prompts, and mobile activation will be successful. Or you can also do the phone activation. For that, what you have to do is simply call the activation number provided on the sticker attached to your card. After that, follow through the automated prompts in order to activate your card. So like this, you'll be able to activate the Costco Visa card. So that is how you activate Costco Visa card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.